Anjali's mother worked in an office and she left along with her father every morning. Breakfast was always cornflakes and it was usually sandwiches for Anju's lunchbox. And when her mother got back in the evening, she was so exhausted herself that cooking was never a great activity. But now Dadi had taken over the kitchen. She actually said she was getting bored of doing nothing. Dadi was a fantastic cook. Suddenly, they were being pampered with the most divine parathas and sabji, mithai and pakoras, salads and pickles. Anjali's mother could now slow down a little and rest her feet. She even had more time for her daughter too. She was also immeasurably reassured that her child was in the most caring hands possible. Till one day when the grandparents announced, "We are thinking of going to Rita's place for a while." Before anyone could say anything, Anjali burst out, "Oh, can I have my room back then? Dada, Dadi, when are you going?" The silence that followed was terrible and only Dadi had some kind and general words to fill it with. Later, apart from her room, Anjali got the worst scolding she deserved, and in 2 days' time they were a nuclear family again. But it was a lonely achievement. There was no one to come home but the silly TV. There was none to talk to. Her mother was again overworked with no time for anything or anybody. But most of all, the noise and bustle of one big happy family had faded into silence. The house, all 850 feet of compact space planning, suddenly looked too big. When the phone rang the following night, just like they had expected it would, it was Anjali who ran and picked it up to say, "Dada, Dadi, when are you coming back?"